Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I cooked this dish using my basic chicken stir-fry templates to demonstrate the effectiveness of template-based cooking. In this video, I will go through each step how I constructed this dish and the reasons for making my choices along the way. As in all my videos, this video is intended to be a suggestion of how to create this dish using the basic templates rather than a recipe. I think that one of the reasons why stir-fry is such a good technique is its flexibility. Using the same wok, I can cook hundreds of different dishes. Here I am using my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. I seasoned it with my spot seasoning method each time when I cook. I cook the chicken using my basic chicken stir-fry template. I first coated the chicken with a thin layer of cornstarch. I then shallow fry them to give a light breading on the surface. I spread the chicken into a thin layer on the surface of the wok. I really like this method. The chicken is slightly crisp on the outside and are moist and tender within. I'm going to fry the chicken on one side for about 30 to 40 seconds before flipping them over to fry the other side. At the meantime, I'm going to layer some thinly sliced carrots and onions over the chicken. This would allow me to cook the carrots and onions at the same time. This will make sure that everything gets cooked adequately and I would not overcook the chicken. For me, one of the key strategies in stir-frying with multiple ingredients is to introduce the ingredients to the wok in proper order so that all the ingredients are cooked to the perfect texture. I find this is an area that I constantly trying to improve. At this point, I'm turning the chicken over to fry the other side. This might seem labor intensive, but it's well worth the time and effort to enhance the flavor and texture of the chicken. To create the orange flavor of the chicken, I'm going to add some orange marmalade. This will provide a light, sweet, and sour flavor to the dish. This is the starting point in creating the flavor for this dish that I will make further adjustment later. For the coconut flavor, I added some shredded coconut flakes that are frequently used for baking. I found some chopped scallions in my prep. I added that mainly for color and flavor, however this is completely optional. The last ingredients to go into this dish was peanut. I just used regular salted roast peanuts. This is the beauty of template-based cooking, as you can modify, add, substitute the ingredients as you go along based on what are available to you and what you feel like eating that night. I probably would have used cashew rather than peanut, but I have only peanuts on hand. Therefore, peanut would do, or I could have omitted them completely. And by this point, it is inevitable that some of the ingredients have burned and stuck to the bottom of the wok. So I got out my water bottle and do some spot cleaning. This method works very well. By squeezing a small amount of water over the burnt food residues, the wok spatula does an excellent job to dislodge them. And this have everything goes back into solution and increase the flavor of the dish. Well, by now the dish is almost done. I did a taste test to adjust the final flavor of the dish. I decided I'm going to add a touch of oyster sauce to enhance the umami flavor of the dish. I find the oyster sauce is very useful for fine-tuning the flavor of the dish, particularly at the end if necessary. Now I store my oyster sauce in a squeezed bottle, making dispensing much easier. The cook time of this dish was slightly over 6 minutes. My friend Elizabeth is the one who told me about this dish. Now she cooked this dish often because her daughter loves orange chicken from Panda Express. But since then she has modified the original versions many times. To me, this is the benefit of template-based cooking. By using the basic chicken stir-fry templates, I could create many variations through simple modifications and adjustments. Finally, I garnished the dish with some scallions. Only when I was sitting down to eat, I thought of garnishing the dish with some coconut flakes. Well, maybe next time. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.